Today it's a very special day because I just got back home in Romania from Greece and I'm finally going to meet my good friend which wants to show me something very interesting.
Finally, after 200 years, look who is back from the vacation. And he's also filming me because now he got a YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
I called you because I have a little problem with the back fender because when I power up the G2 Master like this, do you guys like the new nose button? We lost the katana in Bucharest. When I power up the G2 Master, Dr. Mechanic,
Yes.
we have a little tidin problem. The disc
no.
is hitting this, you see?
No. Yeah.
I tried to do planking non-stop. It kind of worked.
Yeah, hold the camera real quick.
Right. I'm holding both cameras right now.
Okay.
Come on. Cu aia nu filmam.
He has a very shitty camera, a GoPro. How do you feel about this camera?
Are you succeeding, son?
No.
Eh? It kind of works now.
I guess. Wait, let me try.
It works. It works. It works.
Still touching a bit.
Ah, a little bit. Oh my god, but it's so vibrational.
Ah, you like?
No. We have to bring this outside because I've been waiting.
You took my YouTube channel. Okay, so I guess let's go outside. Right?
Wrong.
Hello,
Hello.
cute little black helmet.
Yes, of course.
He is staging his meetup with cute little
Shut
black
the
helmet.
f up.
So, hello.
Hello.
Let me try.
I'll let you try. Try.
Okay, thank you. That's actually very smooth.
I told you. Try it.
Wow, okay. Holy! And they break so nice.
Of course.
This
What
is
do you
nice. This is nice. This is actually very nice.
It's so smooth. It feels like a G4.
I don't even have my steering damper anymore. Look.
Yeah, your G2 Master got stripped.
Look.
Your G2 Master is kind of looking not that good after.
I know it.
Like the paint is completely over, no
It's been
steering
through a lot.
damper.
It's been through a lot, okay? But
It's
I'm gonna
cooked.
fix it.
And it has been abandoned for 2 months.
No.
Come on, let's go. Get up. Get up on it. Come on.
What are you yapping about? What are you yapping about?
2 months in Greece, left without knowing the city.
Yeah. Shut up. Not
He
there.
has been brainwashed. He doesn't remember a thing from the city. Bro, now you're speaking Greece? You don't understand
No.
English?
No. Oh.
Je parle l'anglais? That was French.
Ah, French.
Yes?
You are.
I learned it at school.
Ah, yes.
Yes?
Me too.
8 years of French and I don't know the...
We go left or right?
Left hand. The street tires are absolutely amazing. I think it makes the scooter even more stable.
You say so?
I think, yeah.
That was a bit dangerous.
It was not dangerous. The car currently be that car. Don't do this at home.
Bro, but the traffic is insane. Look at this.
I think it's rush.
It's rush hour. Yeah.
Perform that yet in this in the bumpy road.
What?
I wouldn't have expected the street tires to not be that good on it.
I don't know what he's yapping about.
I know how you do it. Come after me.
Oh my god. I got left behind a bit. Look at this. Very beautiful view. Look at this.
I have never seen here this much traffic, bro.
Exactly.
Absolutely never. I think it's because school is starting.
No, it's because they are working over there. As you can see, there's a...
Oh, the construction site.
Exactly, it's a construction site. The police, bro, the police.
Where?
In front.
Oh, you're going front?
No, I don't.
Why?
I'm good.
Okay, we have to go inside.
It's a very nice city. Cleanest city in the world.
No, this is the cleanest river in our city.
Exactly. And look at that. Like,
I don't know what
Okay.
they're making here. A highway. Come on.
come on, go, go, go.
That's our chance.
Go, go, go. Very nice. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. We got new road, bro.
Ah, new asphalt.
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Thank you.
Holy. Look at the fresh pavement.
Exactly.
Bye bye. This is amazing. Oh, oh. I think you kinda miscalculated a bit.
A bit.
Look at the view, bro.
The view.
Yeah, your scooter is going into the ditch.
It's a view of a polluted city.
Yes.
What do you mean?
We don't. This is beautiful. It's not polluted. No, 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 bro. Ignore the tower. That is pumping like water
is-
smoke. No, no.
This is
not,
fresh air for you?
Absolutely. It's.
King
air-
not.
Let's go more up, and you can launch the drone and to film some footage.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come
I
on,
forgot that I have the drone.
Forgot that you have the drone.
Yeah.
What?
I was asking myself, why do I have a backpack? But now I remember, I have the drone.
One thing about the street tires is the fact that you don't have as much grip.
Yeah.
That can-
On wet roads,
On
you're
wet
gonna
roads,
die.
these are going to kill me. On
But
wet
you
roads,
take the M4 Max, it's fine.
the fields are very healthy, as you can see.
They're
Harvested, I know.
harvested, yeah. Wait, can I go without hands? Oh yes, I can. You know what we can do here?
What the hell? Where did you? Wow!
I was on the side of the road.
You stopped in front of me.
I was on the side of the road.
God damn! I was looking at the camera.
You know what we can do here?
What?
A race.
Right. That way,
Yeah, but mosquitoes are attacking me.
bro. I have.
Look at the mosquitoes.
Are mosquitoes everywhere?
Yeah, everywhere around you. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, what?
I smoked him, bro. You got smoked.
What do you mean I won?
You didn't.
I took you on top speed.
I was not accelerating anymore.
You're getting the drone up?
Yeah, because I heard you were running out of content. It is a bit windy.
Can I play?
What?
Can I play?
You want to try?
Bro, I hear it in my ear, bro. Are you sure I'm not flirting?
Don't go closer. A car again. Just slow up.
I'm intelligent. No way to get into the wire. Look at that! Look at that! I'm drifting the drone!
Okay, now give it back. Give it back.
Okay.
What is he doing? Ah! Q. No, my Fiesty! My Fiesty!
You're filming guys! Okay, now I'm done.
Ha! You fat!
Just look at the tire difference between the original G2 Master tires, the off-road ones, and the street tires, the new street
Yeah.
tires on my G2 Master.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was saying.
Bro, what you want?
Nothing.
Why you,
Continue! Continue.
why you talking?
I'm not. Continue.
Okay. So the difference between the look at the biggest look at that difference. They're much higher. They're much higher and taller. Just look at that. What you're doing, man?
Nothing,
you're,
bro,
You're
nothing.
putting the camera into your face. This is not how you do YouTube. You're putting the camera in my face. Ain't no way you petting me. Ain't no way you petting me.
No,
I'm
you,
petting
man.
you. I'm petting. Yeah, yeah. Go into the ditch. Go into the ditch. Yeah, yeah. You're on the field. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Let me pet. No, no, no.
Oh, 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 oh.
Aha! Pet you. Police, police, police.
Police?
No, just a normal car.
Okay, go film, okay? I completely agree with him.
Holy, he was going 150 kilometers on this right now.
Exactly. He's asking me to make his thumbnail.
No, perfect.
Yeah, just like that.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's perfect. Oh yeah, baby. Not gonna lie, I'm afraid they're gonna ban the kukirins.
Yeah, I know.
I'm really afraid about this.
Guys, please, if you're watching this, be very careful and respect the laws, because you can get kukirin banned like in the whole country right now. in
Exactly.
Romania.
Now you know what time it is.
What time?
Speed time. Because it's that...
Oh, the big downhill.
Yeah. Okay,
Don't
3,
fall.
2, 1, go.
Go.
Okay, hey, this is going. 65, 66. Holy sh! I'm tweaking! I'm tweaking! 70 kilometers an hour! Holy sh! Oh my god, the bird! Holy!
I only got 66.
That was insane!
That curb right there, you can crash that easily.
Exactly, bro, that curve,
If you go
it gets you. Kaput.
If you go over 50 in that curb, you're dead.
Exactly.
Meanwhile,
70 kilometers an hour! Oh yeah, that was sick.
Oh, they straight up attacked me.
Really?
Bro, those dogs, right when I said I'm going to race him on single, I was on single and the dogs just charged.
Look how much dust I made.
Yeah. You're definitely...
Oh.
Tell me you're in Romania without telling me you're in Romania.
Look at the roads, the dogs, the houses.
smells like-
Smells yummy, cow shit. Oh,
Beautiful.
tasty, tasty.
Where we go? After 2 months,
Huh?
you two are really hungry. and
Very
you're going to
hungry.
eat your scraps.
And you know, before drinking, we have to eat.
So you want to go to Spritz?
I want to go to Spritz a bit, yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go to a Spritz.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to a Spritz with ES.
And I'm going with little white salmon. Look at that. It's actually...
So my camera ran out of storage and I have to do my outro, and this guy is filming me for some reason. I hope you liked the video. I hope you didn't like his video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.